Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sesan Adewusi. Tantolorun, Baba Oloyin gan. Baba Oloyin original. I am staying at Iyesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop. Iyesiota. Here you meet me again. I greet everybody. Good day to you. As you know me, I'm a publisher of 50 Ways of Using Honey. Honey as a medicine, African power, solution to human problems, and healing power of honey. Now today, I want to tell you about this new book. This is my latest book, African Power. African Power. If you have been following me on YouTube, you will know that I've been advertising this book for long. Yes, some people, they are complaining about co-herbs. Co-herbs, yes. That co-herbs, they don't use it to tie firewood. But all these bad people, they use it to tie human being. Anybody that is having these problems can never get rest of mind. Yes, if they are doing promotion in your office, it will never reach your tongue. If you are selling, you always have a door market. Yes. Because a place where trailers pass, where tippers, motors has passed, Okada riders has passed that place, another person will just pass that road. He will doing like this, co-waves. It's a sign that witches and wizards, they want to fight the person. That they are it's a sign that they are troubling the person. Solution is in this book, African Power. Before I release this book, some people say I should not release it. I say I will release it. I hold two leaves on my hands. One is forgiveness sin, Ewe Origin. I hold it for my one side, one hand. The other one, I hold one leaves. We call it Ewe Kile Fimishi. You can do me but nothing. Then the elderly people said, look, this one, drop it. The one you said, Kile Fimishi, you can do me but nothing. But forgiveness of sins, that leaf we give you, we forgive you. So I thank you. I begged them. I said I will release this book. They didn't allow this book to be out. I wanted to release in August. You know, I told you, I have to suspend it. Yes, I suspended releasing the book till October ending. But I told them that those people who want to wicked, they will not buy the book. Even if they get the money, they will overlook it. What is this man saying? Yes. I said the only thing you can do is that those people you are troubling, those people you want to wicked, even when they have the money, if I said this book was 20 naira, they will not buy it. Then they say it's okay. So I released the book to the market. It's expensive. But what we meet inside it, I've told you before that it is the orange trees normally stay in the bush. It is human being that will labor themselves to find it. The orange tree normally stay in the bush. It is human being that will labor themselves to find it. Yes, your luck will shine, your luck will find you. There are some people, they are being appointed as ministers, commissioners, ambassadors. Some of them, they don't belong to any political party, but they will just remember them and find a good post for them. Your luck will shine, your luck will shine, good luck will shine on your line. You people, you forgot one lady, Jumoke Onibredi, a bread seller, Tageki. That's part of what God can do for human being. Yes. There's nothing God cannot do. Jumoke Onibredi, everybody had that one, a bread seller. She has been sleeping in the bakery for long, nobody recognized her. But when God said it is time for her, you see what happened. Yes, your luck will shine, your luck will find you. No, in this book also, I told you about ashes. I've mentioned something about ashes before some people normally, before some other people came to YouTube to repost what I've already posted. How you can use ashes to remove yourself from bondage, to remove curses on your head, When you were small, you were staying with your grandmother and they happen to curse you. Maybe they send you on errand, go and buy me something. You refuse to go, you feel reluctant to go, then they curse you. And the curse is now warning you. How you can remove that curses and family bondage, it is in this book. Yes, African power. African power. Sometimes when you spoil here, in the bus, in the school, or in they say, who spoiled this here? Nobody will tell you. It no go better. It won't better for the person. Who spoiled this here? You are the one who spoiled the here. You will still say amen because of shame. There are some parents, our mothers, when they commit small offense, they ask them to come and swear. They say, if I am the one who do this bad thing or who did this thing, all my children make they do this. Is that good? You don't know whether your mother has caused or you. You know, some people, when they visited me, they complained that all the children their mother gave birth to, none of them is successful. Then I told the causes, maybe your mother has caused herself that all the children she have, all of them should not succeed in life. People will say, this cause is too much. He said, yes. They will say, yes, because I didn't commit this offense you are accusing me of. Because of shame. Because of shame, some women, they will curse themselves. All the children they have, they should not succeed. And when the children grow up, they will not succeed. If you are the type that your mother has caused all of you, for one reason or the other, you can remove that causes with this book, African Power. How you can use hashish? I'll put you on Facebook, I'll put it on YouTube. But for the benefit of those who didn't see that one, or who want it complete, it is in this book now. I told you, this is snails. This is snail igbe. This is snail. You can never see a snail without a house. You can never. See, this is small one. See the small one also. You can never see a snail without house. A day-old snail must get house. If you are the type that whenever you buy land, they will collect it for you because you don't have money to develop it. What you can do is it is in this book. You just need a big snail, honey, and something, and one thing. You add that thing to it, you dig it on the ground, on your soil, that piece of land that you buy, you want to bury it there. When you bury it there, the way you will see money to build your house, it will surprise you. Yes, this is not juju. Yes, this is African power. I told you about midnight, 1 a.m. midnight, 1 a.m. sand, and 1 p.m. sand. In the afternoon, 1 p.m., you collect a sand. In the midnight, 1 a.m., in the midnight, you mix the sand together. If you are correct, if the time you collected the sand is accurate, when you are mixing the sand together, your head will swallow like this. You will know that you get the sand. You will put a cotton wool, put that sand. You can do 5 pieces. You can do it, you put it there, you will put it on the cotton wool. You put a needle there. What else? The other thing is in this book. You wrap it. You can put it in your car. You can put it in your house. Yes, it's protection. It's protection. Yes, I told you before, in the other video I did before. But if you are the type that have been given sticker by a pastor, that when you put the sticker on your car, nothing will do you. Yeah, you cannot take this one. You cannot take it as serious matter. But remember the pastor, whenever they are going with every security, yes, Mopo in the front, Mopo at the back. Why can't those people rely on sticker? Well, that is left for you. This is honor as a medicine. I'm the publisher of honor as a medicine. If you want to remove hatred from your body, you can see it here. You can see. Yes. How you can use bitter leaf to remove hatred. I posted it since 2018. This book was released in 2015. 2015. I release book every five years. I don't release book every year. No, every five years. This book was released in 2015. Those of you that have these copies, go and check. This is the latest book, African Power. This one is just released in year 2020, October 2020. I released this one. Yes, I released also this one. Agbára ìwòsàn oyin, healing power of honey. Healing power of honey. I released it for the benefit of those who have married for long. They couldn't get children. Yes, no issue. This is what you can do is here. Because if you have staphylococcus, your sperm can never produce. Because anytime you are eating all this medicine that can produce sperm, this bacteria will be chopping it. How can you cure it? It is in this one. As it is more like this, it is that one that showed this book. Yes. This one also, ọ̀nà àbáyọ fún ìṣòro ẹ̀dá, solution to woman problems. Not women. Some people are calling me solution to woman problem. No, not woman. Solution to human being. Solution to human beings problems. We just short it by calling it solution to human problems. This book is in the market as well. You can get all these my books online. If you are in far away, America, London, Canada, Japan, they are calling me. You ask for my account number. When you pay, I will send the book to you on your WhatsApp or email without delay. Those of you that you have paid and you never collect your book, I'm using this medium again to not to forget. I'm reminding you to send your email or WhatsApp. Anytime you pay, notify us. Mr. So, I've paid. This is evidence of my payment. Immediately we see it, we will send your book to you on WhatsApp or email. We can send the books to people within Nigeria. Within Nigeria only. We can send the hard copy, provided you can pay extra cash for courier services. For courier services. Yes, if you can pay. Some people do. They are doing so. Then we send the book to them through courier services. Immediately you pay, you notify us, we send the book to you. If you want to collect it on email or WhatsApp, immediately you pay and we see your money, no problem, you collect your book. Yes. Don't forget, we are selling original honey. If you need original honey, because all the things I put in the book, most of the things we want to do it is honey, 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 honey. Except in this latest book, that there are some things you can do there without honey. There are some things you can do without honey. So don't forget, I am living at Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. In this book, you will see how you can use excess, native excess. Ọ̀nà kìdí káde ẹ̀mọ́ débi àbá rẹ̀. There are some people, they are overseas country, they are looking for green card, they couldn't see. Some of them, they are marrying Oyinbo so that they can get green card. Can that one work? For how long can you do that? Excess. Ọ̀nà kìdí káde ẹ̀mọ́ débi àbá rẹ̀. This native excess, when you use it, what you do with it, it is in this book. You can do it in form of powder. You can do it by putting it inside honey. What we had to eat to work, it is in this book. Kò ń ṣàrònú sọ o, òjò kújẹkújẹ, amúlétekútekú, ó dé fáfá dé òkòkò nígbà tó ń sunkún ráwọn ọmọ. Wọ́n ní wo adé òkòkò kí ló dé tó ń sunkún? Ó lóun ń sunkún ráwọn ọmọ ni. Mo ní èmi Ṣẹ̀san Adéwùsì mi gbọ́dọ̀ sunkún kí n tó rówó. Mi gbọ́dọ̀ sunkún ọmọ kí n tó rọ́mọ. Mi gbọ́dọ̀ sunkún aya kí n tó láya lọ́dẹ. That is it for it. Yes. That in my book, when I say medicine, I told you to put salt inside honey. Some people, they are reposting. They don't know the secret behind that one. If you put sand inside honey, small salt inside honey in a plastic, you lick it every day. How to do it is honey as a medicine. Adébímpé Lẹ́ni Àbákì, Adétutù lẹ́ni àbáfọ̀rọ̀ gidi lọ ó dífá fún olóko sí wọn adé ó lẹ́ni tí ó ṣe bí èmi ò sí ara ló fi wé mi òun lolúwa fàìjì ọlọ́bẹ̀ àyíká ìlú tẹ̀mí ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ adétutù bá dé kí n dẹni yìí kí n dẹni àpọ́nlé ó tó bí nìyẹn. I cannot just come inside and publish say something I don't test. All the things I put in the book, I've tested them before. And all the things I put inside my books, tested and confirmed. You can get this book and other books at Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. If you are living in overseas country or other states in Nigeria, you can get it online. We can post the hard copy to you within Nigeria. Yes, we can send the books to you if you can pay for courier services. But outside the country, we don't do that because the charges will be too much, and some people will not be ready to pay for the charges. Yes, this book, many people are buying it too. I thank those of you that are buying and those of you that are giving me extra money. God bless you. God will bless you. Yes, I pray to God that God will help and guide you in all your undertakings. This book, you will see many things inside this book. Yes. Don't forget, one boy is claiming to be Baba Oloyin original at Ijebu. Baba Oloyin at Ijebu. Baba Oloyin original Ijebu. He's a small boy. He loaded all my pictures on the YouTube. He loaded it on his Facebook. We have reported to Facebook. Facebook has never done anything about it. Even this boy has gone to a center of open account claiming to be Baba Oloyin original. Yes, he's using one bank. I've written letter to that bank because that boy, when he gave his own name, Betros Yusuf Betros Ebolala, Omelebotos Eboku, by Yusuf Betros Ebolala, he gave them, they didn't respond. Then he opened another account that be Baba Oloyin original. Baba Oloyin original. I've written letter to that bank. I hope that bank will take step. If that bank refuse, all these people watching me, they will bear me as witness that I've been complaining about that bank. I've written letter. I sent the letter through courier service. So there's no excuse that they didn't receive the letter. And some of you that are watching me, some of these, you are a member of staff for that bank. Yes, because some people are asking me under the comment section and I mentioned the name of the bank. I have to petition Central Bank of Nigeria if that bank refuses. If that bank is ready to be hiding fraudulent activities, I will know. Because many people are complaining that they are paying to that boy, Yusuf Betros Ebolala. I don't know him. It's not my family. He's claiming to be Baba Oloyin's son. He says he's doing juju, ritual money for people. I don't do ritual money. I don't have money. I always tell you people, if I have money, I will not be living in a small house where I'm living. He says he can do juju money. If you pay to him, you call him for books. He have no books to sell for you. Don't fall to his trap. Yusuf Betros Ebolala, he get friends. He get relatives. They're supposed to warn him. Until he get his own father. He want to spell another father's name. God will not give you Yusuf Ebolala. God will not give you that chance by the special grace of God. Before I go today, I want to teach you how you can use water. How you can use water to receive favor. Water. How you can use water to receive favor from people. What you will do, you will get a cup of water early in the morning. Before you talk to anybody, you will put it on the ground, you will match it. When I say you will pour water on the ground, somebody was calling me that, what is the meaning of pour? Well, I said put. That put language is very clear to everybody. You will pour water, the water you can drink at a time. Maybe it is half a glass cup. You will put it on the ground, then you will stay on top of it. You match it. You put it on the ground, then you stand on it. You say that you will start the prayer. Water, oh, water. Water has no enemy. In London, they are drinking water. In America, they are drinking water. In Nigeria, they are drinking water. Everybody like water. Nobody can do without water. Yes, water has no enemy. Fela Anikulapo Kuti of blessed memory. He said water has no enemy. Water, it has no enemy. Yes. So you put it, you match it, as you match it, say, water has no enemy. In all over the world, nobody can do without water. Even all other living things, whether animals or plants, they can never do without water. Anywhere I go today, I must receive favor. I must receive favor. Whether you are going for an interview, or you have an appointment, or you have a very big occasion to attend, just pour water on the ground. Water, drinking water. Pour it on the ground. Stand on it. Then start the prayers. Water has no enemy. All over the world, they can never do without water. Yes, they can't do without water. Even all living things, they need water. They must need me where I am going today. I must receive favor where I am going today. He get the Yoruba incantation. I will not read that one today because some people said that I should be speaking this throughout. The last program, I missed the program with Yoruba, but some people said they missed some things. So you have to forgive me for the little Yoruba I spoke in this program today at the earlier stage of this program. But he demand for it. So that those who are saying you should put salt inside the honey, they will know that I know what I'm saying, not that I'm just formulating something for people. That egg shell, native egg shell, when I say you should put egg shell, you miss it. Egg shells get some incantation what people do. But for some people that cannot speak Yoruba, or doesn't even hear Yoruba, they cannot say that one. But we know that without reading that incantation, it will still work. Yes, don't forget, put water on the ground. You stand on it. Then you read the prayer. I'm still repeating for you. Nobody can do without water. All over the world, all human beings, they can't do without water. Plants cannot do without water. Animals cannot do without water. Yes, anywhere I go today, I must be received with favor. I must see this. I must see favor. Don't let me talk too much. Yes, try it. You do it every day. You can do it for 7 days and see what will happen. There are some people, you don't need to use a soap. What you need is prayers. Yes, some people, they are using that of honey and salt, and they are giving me result that is working for them. There are some people, they have used all types of medicine. It doesn't work for them. What of this one? Try this one and tell me and give me result. Anywhere you go, you must receive favor. So when you march on it, you after the prayer, don't forget, the remaining water in your hand, you will drink it. Yes. Whether you are, if you are a woman, you are your monthly something, it doesn't disturb you. Yes. There's no time you cannot do this thing. This is not juju. You are a girl or woman, you are your monthly period. It doesn't debar you from doing it. You can do it. It will work for you. You want to go to office, maybe you are giving query, and you fear that when you reach the office, you don't expect what will happen. Try this thing. Some people, when they get court case, we use something like that. I won't talk more than that. Yes, in Campbell, you have great power. When next time when I come on this program, we talk about forgiveness of sins leaves. It will reach in. We use it when we were in the school. When we fail to do our assignment, there's one leaf. We just rub it. We rub it on our hand like this. We rub our face with it. When we reach assembly, We read the classroom like this. Anybody that fails to do the assignment, teacher will beat head out of the person. But when it reaches our turn, say, look, go and sit down. Even I remember when we put Gamale 20 inside the drinking river to catch fish. Drinking water. Whenever we put Gamale 20 inside the river, all the fish will die. Then we come and carry it the second day. Or when we put it there by 5:30 or 7 p.m., in the night by 9, we will go there to catch fish. All the fishes in the river will die. We carry it. Then they warn us that we should not do so again because we had only one river in our village. But when they saw another thing, they said, all these boys, they've started again. So our parents had to go to another village to get water that day. And that river happened to be a flowing river. So the Gamale 20 and everything washed away after the 2 days. So, but when they wanted to beat us, as usual, we rub our face with that leaves. They pardon us. They pardon us. When next I come on program, I will give you free of charge. It's a common leaf. Yes, I will give you. If I fail to do it, remind me. You can remind me before next week. Then I usually do my program on Saturdays and Sunday. Don't forget, a time is coming when I will be on live program. You people will be phoning me. I will be answering you. Any problem you have, just write it down. So when I am on live program, you will call me, ask me questions, and I'm ready to answer you. Just be writing the question you want to ask me. Yes, I will put it on Facebook the time I will be on live. So that if you have anything that is worrying you, that I cannot put inside the book, maybe I will use that opportunity to teach you. You know, when I was doing radio program in Lagos, I used to do program 6:47 a.m. on Radio Nigeria, Bond FM, every Saturday before. Sometimes people will be calling me, asking me questions. Ask people in Nigeria, they will tell you. I've been in this business for the past 22 years. Those people in Nigeria know me very well. But some people they are in other countries, they are seeing me only on YouTube for the first time. I used to advertise in City People magazine before. I used to advertise in the Punch newspaper every Saturday before. When you see Saturday, say, honey as a medicine, honey can cure your sickness. I used to advertise in all these papers before. Guardian newspaper every Tuesday. I used to advertise there. Ask people in Nigeria, they will tell you they know Babaloyi. I've been in this business for the past 22 years. Don't fall to that boy. Yusuf Petros Ebolala. He's a criminal, he's a scammer. Yes. He loaded all my pictures on Facebook, YouTube. He loaded this to his Facebook. Yes. He said he's a Babaloyi original son. He's a Babaloyi original Ijebu. Don't patronize that boy. If you pay to that boy, don't call me for books. My books can only be sent through my work phone number. This is my phone number again, 080-5474-9455. You will see it at the bottom of this video. If you see another phone number on this Kenny Show television, I'm still the one. That Kenny Show, that MTN number you see there is still my own. Kenny Show. The reason why I don't receive calls on that station is because it will be too much. That's why I say people watching Kenny Show television, they should be sending messages only on WhatsApp. So I'm replying that one. It's very easy for me to reply on WhatsApp because I cannot handle only one phone for 24 hours. So sometimes I used to off the phone. Those who visit me, they will also pity me because when they see that I receive calls, Baba, no wonder you used to off this way. I cannot put on phone within 10 minutes. People will be calling. So the next time when you meet me again, don't forget, by the end of this month, by the special grace of God, I will tell you the time I will come on here, you people will be phoning me by the special grace of God. My phone number again, you know I told you I have a branch at Mushin, number 4, Alukola Street, Mushin. I have a branch at Oshodi, BS Media Services, number 6, Everett Way, Alasia Boston, Alasia Oshodi. At Barika, you can go to number 36, Ilaje Road, Barika. Number 36, Ilaje Road, Barika. At Koto Ebe, when you reach Sele Boston Ebe, take Maruwa Okada to number 2, Femi Osobu Street, Agudu Market. Number 2, Femi Osobu Street, Agudu Market. People at Surulere, you can get my products at Surulere. Number 5C, Akerele Street Extension. Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Wooding. Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Wooding. Akerele Surulere. Yes. Or you come to Baboloyin bus stop, Yesiota. From toll gate, you can enter Maruwa to Yanayesi. When you reach Yanayesi, tell them you are going to Baboloyin house. Baboloyin house, Baboloyin bus stop, Baboloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.